Smartphones have become a part of our daily life. But do you know what really makes a phone powerful? It's not just the camera or the design, it's a perfect balance between performance, battery, and user experience. Let's start with the processor. The processor is like the brain of your phone. A powerful chipset means faster gaming, smoother multitasking, and better overall performance. For example, mid-range processors today are capable of handling heavy games and apps that used to require flagship devices just a few years ago. Now, let's talk about the display. A higher refresh rate, like 90 Hz or 120 Hz, makes scrolling and gaming feel super smooth. Combine that with AMOLED panels, and you get brighter colors, deeper blacks, and a more premium experience. Battery life is another key factor. A big battery with fast charging is essential these days. Some phones can charge up to 50% in just 20 minutes, which makes a huge difference in our busy lives. And finally, the camera. It's not only about megapixels, software optimization, night mode, and AI features can make an even bigger impact than just having a high megapixel count. So, when you choose your next phone, don't just look at one feature, look at the full package. A balanced phone always gives you the best value for money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned with TouchScope BD for more tech updates.